Hello, this is Mr. Lewick, and this screencast is going to show you how to animate an object that you inserted on a Google slide. So first I'm going to go to the slide where I want to animate something. It's my second slide here, and I want to animate these two objects. So I'm going to select the object I want to animate. I'm going to click one time, and then two-finger touch on my mouse pad. Not touch two times, just two fingers like a peace sign, and touch them both at the same time. And then I click on Animate. And I'm working with this object right now. Right now it's set at fade in when I click. I can change that. So I want it to fly in from the right. So I want it to fly across the top of the screen. And I'm going to do it on the click. So when I click my mouse, it will happen. And I'm going to go medium speed. All right, now to check out what I did, I click play to test it. And now click on the slide. And it flies in from the right. Now I want it to fly all the way across. So this is what I need to do. I'm going to click stop so I can work on it. I'm going to move it to where I want it to end. So I'm going to put it off of the slide. Now it's going to fly in from the right all the way across. Let's test it out. I'll click play. And then when I click on my screen, it should animate. It should go off the screen. There it is. I'm going to click stop. And now I have a second object that I want to animate. That's rocket ship. So I have to select the rocket ship, click on it, add animation. And now this little picture of rocket ship tells me I'm working with the rocket ship. And right now it's going to fade in. I don't want it to do that. So I want it to fly in from the bottom. So that way it's going to fly in from the bottom, and I want it to end off of my slide. Oops. I'll do it right there. And let's click play and see everything put together. This little red arrow shows you where you are in the timeline. It'll move down, and it'll do the animations in the order that I made them. So I'm going to click on the screen, and let's see, on the slide. There's my first animation. And when I click, it'll go automatically. Now I can change it from on click to right here on click. And I'm going to put after previous. So that means after the airplane flies in, that's just going to automatically go. So let's see what this looks like now. Okay, click. There goes the plane, and when it's done, the rocket ship should go. There I go. I have done it. I'm going to click stop. And I just want to show you one more thing. Maybe I want the airplane to be facing the other way. I can flip my object. So I'm going to two-finger tap on the mouse pad. And I'm going to go to rotate. And this is where I can flip it. I'm going to flip it horizontally and watch what happens to the airplane. It's facing the other way. So there's a little trick that you can do. I'm going to X out animation. And that slide is done. Oh, one more thing. Let me two-finger touch on this and go to animate. If I want to get rid of the animation, I just click this little circle with the X. That'll delete it. If I want to change the order of the animation, I just click and hold and drag it above. Now the rocket ship will go first. All right, that's it. Have fun.